In this part, we are going to analyze China's leading fitness platform, Keep.
First part, analytical overview and new venture proposal.
This is my student number. According to Keep's own data, over 70% of fitness enthusiasts recognize this brand. Although Keep experienced strong growth during the COVID lockdowns from 2019 to 2022, the company now faces a growth bottleneck. In its 2024 annual report, revenue has been declining since 2022. Although Keep has built a large user base, it struggles to make profits and retain users. This gap is growing under the pressure of changing user behavior, intensified competition, and the rise of generative AI. In my presentation, I'll analyze industry disruption and identify consumer needs. Let's first look at consumer behavior. There's a study found that people are increasingly reliant on smartphones and tablets. However, usage is frequently interrupted, reflecting a shift toward fragmented content. In this context, a report by Li Liu shows that today's online fitness users prefer lightweight, entertaining content, especially after work, while traditional cost-based fitness models are rapidly losing appeal. Second, Keep faces intensifying competition. On one hand, there are over 10 major players in China's online fitness market. In 2021 alone, the sector saw 20 financing events with total investment exceeding 6 billion yuan. On the other hand, Keep is also challenged by platforms outside the fitness industry. For example, on Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, fitness celebrity Liu Genghong gained 40 million followers in just 12 days, with 10 million in a single day at his peak. By contrast, it took Keep almost 10 years to reach 30 million monthly active users. Next, let's consider Keep's business model. Keep generates revenue from video courses, fitness devices, and products like healthy snacks, apparel, and accessories, aiming to cover the full fitness lifestyle. However, there are three major issues. First, content competition. Most users prefer free fitness content on platforms like Bilibili, Douyin, and Rednote. Second, inventory pressure. Keep sells tens of thousands of SKUs, which is costly to manage. Third, low profit margins. According to Caijing Health, margins on physical goods are less than half of content-based services, and some discounted items may even result in negative margins. Another force of disruption is AI. As noted by the World Economic Forum, generative AI can create original content and is being rapidly adopted across industries. Keep has mentioned in its annual report to invest in AI for app development, smart devices, and marketing. AI could help Keep sharpen its competitive edge, but it also needs to consider trust and data privacy risks. Let's now move to the second part, consumer need identification. First, users increasingly want social experiences in fitness. According to Zhang's research, online social support and friendly competition can significantly boost physical activity and retention. However, Keep currently lacks the interactive features found on platforms like Douyin or Bilibili. To meet this need, Keep could integrate AI-powered social features like team challenges, leaderboards, and in-app communities to boost user engagement. The second key need is personalized content. According to a Keep's report, the average user works out about 4 times a week, typically for 20 minutes, and usage peaks between 8 and 9 p.m. The core users are young people from Tier 1 and new Tier 1 cities. Through the deployment of AI, Keep can analyze user data to understand individual pain points and needs based on user profile and recommend corresponding products. For example, they can launch short-form video courses to office workers who suffer from back pain. Also, AI deployment could deliver short gamified content for fragmented time slots. This could not only improve user satisfaction but also boosts their retention. Based on above-mentioned information, here is a summary using SWOT analysis, and my teammate will continue with next part. Thank you.
Based on the previous industry analysis and consumer identification, we propose a targeted innovation proposal, Keep Harmony Smart Social Fitness Platform. Our main users are busy office workers, the ones who never have time for fitness. Work fills their days, and by evening they are too tired to socialize. But if they can work out with a partner, they are more likely to stick with it. Think about WeChat Sports. Its step rankings make people compete and interact. We are using that idea to build the AI social recommendation system. AI will analyze users' habits, interests, location, and active times to match them with workout buddies or challenge groups. Open the app and you will see challenge groups with goals like yours or people with similar activity levels to you this week, front and center. It makes joining feel natural, no pressure, just more fun and reason to keep going. Swift. It created a virtual world for cyclists to ride with others globally. We are making a virtual gym for more immersive workouts. Users can exercise with friends or strangers here, talk, sync movement, get real-time feedback. They can pick things like beaches or mountains. Choose a class, invite friends, and the system keeps you in sync while cheering you on. To boost the excitement and loyalty, we are adding gamification. 7-day fat burning or monthly step challenges. Each has a real-time ranking list to spark competition. Users can create or join challenges and finish tasks to earn points, badges, or coupons. Rankings update weekly, so there is always a reason to check back. For more interaction, users can share training plans publicly. Others can like, comment, or follow along. We are launching a creator center to turn users into keep experts with traffic support and content earnings. The business value and differentiation is China's fitness market is shifting from just working out to social healthy lifestyles. Users want community and interaction, not one-way content like on Douyin. And compared to fancy brands like Peloton, Keep has local advantages and more affordable prices that fit the Chinese market better. And our social features can help us reach even more users. Keep already has lots of users, but its social features are weak, so people don't stay long. Fixing that will boost the retention and engagement, which drives content use, device sales, and memberships. AI will improve recommendations, and the content creation platform will bring in fitness fans, building a user-generated content ecosystem that makes the platform more diverse and lively. The second part is customer-focused innovation through Innovation 2.0. Innovation 2.0 is an innovation methodology that is user-centered, open, and collaborative, and rapid iteration. It focuses on three things: user engagement, urban innovation, and data-driven and rapid feedback. User engagement means users are not just people who use the product, they help create it. Urban innovation is when companies work with outside resources to build value together. And data-driven rapid feedback is about collecting and analyzing data in real time to adjust products and services fast. The table on the left shows the key features of Innovation 2.0 and how they fit in with KEEP. My teammates will continue on to the next part.
Thanks my partners sharing. And today I'm going to introduce how the Keep platform enhance customer satisfaction by applying the logic of Innovation 2.0. In today's digital fitness world, improving customer satisfaction isn't just about better features. It's about co-creating value with users and building an experience ecosystem. Based on the four parts of Innovation 2.0, Keep has laid out a clear strategy. The first one is user co-creation. Keep already allow users to upload their own training contents. We plan to enhance this by building a creator growth channel to recognize high-impact content. Creators and contact and reward them with more exposure. In addition, we will develop a course scoring system, allowing users to rate training content based on structure, intensity, and practicality. This makes feedback more visible and strengthens the feedback loop. And the second one is reconstruction of personalized service. Using AI, Keep already track user behavior. Now we aim to launch a user schedule monitoring system, adjusting training intensity and type based on completion rate, rest period, and biometric feedback, like the heart rate. For example, inactive users may receive easier or more fun contents and motivational reminders, improving both engagement and satisfaction. And the third one is emotional contact communities. Keep's Team Challenge and virtual gyms are already popular, but we'll take it further with the Team Achievement Plan and Community Mutual Support Task. Users will earn collaboration points and influence budgets which deepen their sense of identity and loyalty onto the platform. And the final one is integrated collaboration service. Satisfaction comes from well-rounded care. We will collaborate with fitness influencer, mental health provider, and medical institution to create training plus health tracking content. We are also planning to launch a lifestyle consultant mechanism, giving user access to coach, diet, and emotional wellness expert all in one place. This boosts trust and perceives professionalism. And to stay competitive in long run, innovation must be both practically and novelty. Here are three ideas Keep plan to roll out in next 5 years. The first one is ride mapping system. Based on our user schedule, rest patterns, and training feedback, the system will create a personalized brain map. For instance, We will push short and enlarging workout or busy weekdays and longer groups challenge on weekends. Over time, this will evolve into health brain navigation systems powered by data from sleep, steps, heart rate, and more. And the second is emotion recognition. Emotion impact motivation through short Q&A, voice tone analysis, or the wearable data. We can examine a user's mood and adjust recommendations accordingly. If someone feels low energy, we might suggest meditation or emotional release class. If they're upbeat, we will push high intensity group workout. And the final one is cross-platform health sense linkage. Keep will integrate with the small watches, calendars, and office tools. For example, if your device detects that you're stressed or irregular habits, Keep can suggest calming sessions or even contact you to see the doctor. If your wearable track your circles, the system can adjust your training plan to better suit your physical state. And my introduction is over. Welcome, my partners.
Hello everyone, thanks to my previous teammates for the great intro. I'm Wang Zekai and I will talk about Keep's vision for 2035. I will cover two main parts: technological integration where AI is the heart of how things work, and changing consumer attitudes that make us update our business models. It's all about showing how tech and what users want will shape Keep's future. By 2035, Keep won't just be a fitness app. It will be an AI integrated and health orchestra. AI will be way much better than today's simple recommendation tools. It will become predictive systems figuring out what users need before they even know it. How? By using data from wearables, neural interfaces, and environmental infos. Generative AI will make super personalized workout plans in real time, changing based on how tired you are, what you eat, and your mood. For logistics, AI will take over. AI-driven supply chains will cut down on extra inventories with just-in-time production of smart devices, and future AI trainees will do 80% of premium content, saving lots of money. Also, blockchain, secured health data markets where users say it's okay to share data will make money. Keep can use anonymous health info for medical research and public health projects, so AI won't just help Keep, it will be the code that runs everything. What people want is changing too. By 2035, folks won't just care about getting fit. They will want holistic well-being, mixing physical, mental, and social health. So, Keep's Harmony platform has to go beyond fitness. It will team up with preventive healthcare like sending stress alerts that start mitigation, and there will be small community groups like AI-made health trips for people with long-term health issues. The rise of phygital, which is physical plus digital loyalty, means we need new business models. There will be subscription 3.0 with different levels of AI health coaching, telehealth visitors, and AI enhanced group challenges. For B2B2C, Keep's AI platform could be licensed to companies for employees' wellness or to insurers who might give discount to active users. And with UGC 2.0, content creator on Keep will learn from NFT, base, base loyalties and tokens, which run community rules, and it's all about meeting users where they are going towards total well-being and building business model that fits. Let's keep the 22 certified vision powered by AI and matching what users will need. Now let's hand it over to the next one who will talk about the realistic version of how we make this happen.
Then let me share with you a bold but realistic vision for the future of health and technology in Asia, and the role KEEP will play at the very center of it. By 2035, KEEP will evolve far beyond the fitness app. We envision KEEP as Asia's leading integrated health ecosystem, serving over 200 million users, seamlessly blending physical, mental, and preventive health in one intelligent, adaptive platform. So, what gives Keep this edge? First, there is data network effects. Keep is building one of the most powerful health data sets in Asia, with over 1 billion movement samples. Its AI can diagnose and correct posture, detect fatigue, and guide real-time improvements, faster, smarter, and more personalized than ever before. This isn't just data, it's intelligence in motion. Second is ecosystem mode. It's forming strategic partnerships across the health spectrum, with hospitals to support post-harm care, with insurers to personalize premiums based on lifestyle behavior, and with smart city infrastructure to integrate public health data for proactive care. That's to say, CAPE isn't just a platform, it's becoming the connective tissue of the future health system. Third, it strikes a global-local balance. While expanding into Southeast Asia and Europe, it will keep core R&D rooted in China, leveraging its manufacturing agility and deep regulatory familiarity. It will scale globally, but build locally, fast, adaptive, and resilient. But of course, no ambitious vision is without challenges. One is data sovereignty is navigating fragmented regulations, from GDPR in Europe to China's DSL. Cross-border data flows will face limits, so it will prepare to deploy localized AI instances in key markets to ensure compliance and continuity. Another is ethical trust. As it monetizes health data, it will risk eroding user confidence. That's why it's exploring transparent data dividend models, where users share in the value created from their anonymized data, aligning ethics with business. Then there's the hyper-personalization paradox. Yes, AI can optimize almost everything, but it can't replace human connection. That's why well-designed hyper-supervised models, AI efficiency paired with live human oversight, to ensure empathy stays at the heart of care. So, where does CAPE fit in this rapidly evolving ecosystem? The key is to keep, well, not here to compete with social giants like TikTok. It's here to power them, to become the Intel inside of Asia's wellness economy, an invisible yet essential layer of infrastructure, intelligent, secure, and deeply trusted. So, as we look ahead to 2035, Keep's business model pivots decisively, from selling devices to orchestrating an entire health ecosystem. First is customer-focused broadens. It'll move beyond urban fitness enthusiasts to serve chronic care patients through hospital partnerships and reach global users hungry for holistic well-being. Next is value proposition deepens. Keep will become an AI-driven health orchestrator, seamlessly blending physical and digital experiences. Imagine AR-enhanced health trips, where you enjoy a virtual communities for real-world motivation and support. Third is revenue streams transform. It will replace low-margin hardware sales with subscriptions free, featuring tiered AI coaching and integrated telehealth services. It will also aid B2B licensing phase, selling its AI engine to corporate wellness and insurance. And it will introduce blockchain-secured health data marketplaces, monetizing anonymized insights into transparent, user-permitted way. Finally, it will drive cost efficiency through smart automation and partnerships. Just-in-time device production slashes inventory overhead, while revenue sharing with partners ensures everyone wins together. Overall, this business model canvas cements Cape as Asia's health infrastructure backbone, leveraging over 1 billion movement samples to turn user compliance and data into an accessible competitive moat. So, this isn't a dream. It's a realistic, data-backed, and strategically grounded vision for the future. Keep is ready to lead, not by dominating the spotlight, but by enabling others to shine healthier, longer, and stronger. And lastly, the following are the references covered in the report. And that's all. Thanks for listening.